Going for a ride?
Just out, just leaving, you know?
Yeah, we got here late.
Oh shit, dude, these people have been out here drinking since fucking like 5 p.m.
We just heard about this like not even an hour ago.
Oh no shit. Oh, glad you guys came out, man. This has been a really great turnout, you know?
You have a motorcycle too?
Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, I got a Triumph Speedmaster.
Me too.
Shut up, really?
2018.
Oh no kidding. Oh awesome. Yeah, one of the 1200s. That's I got a 20.